Away they race. Coming out the best in the centre was Rain on Me, showing speed and coming between horses. In the early part, Cape Caduceus, and right up on the inside is Umber Girl, but Rain on Me holds them out clearly as Honest Student drives up on the outside to share second. A break of 3 lengths to Grandfield Road, and about 2.5 to Boardwalk Bay is last. Rain on Me unopposed by 2.5 lengths into second. Honest Student just shading Cape Caduceus, who got back a little bit, 1.5 lengths away, losing ground. Umber Girl being passed by both Grandfield Road, and Boardwalk Bay spearing up in the centre. And through the first quarter in 22-1, Rain on Me left alone. Rain on Me by 2.5. Honest Student gathering momentum in second. Cape Caduceus hard at it on the inside. Running on is Boardwalk Bay pretty well. And as they come for the lane, Rain on Me's lead down to 1/2 length to Honest Student and Boardwalk Bay. Cape Caduceus trying to find a seam between runners. Honest Student and Boardwalk Bay. They threaten this leader, Rain on Me, and then Cape Caduceus in the lead narrowly. It's Honest Student tackled by Boardwalk Bay. Boardwalk Bay trying to run down Honest Student, who's still just in front. Boardwalk Bay on the outside, and neck struggle, but Boardwalk Bay just getting up, and Boardwalk Bay by a head. Honest Student second, 2 to Cape Caduceus third, and Grandfield Road was fourth.